words, I didn't know where he's at, but it may go north of us. Okay, well, you kind of guys get out and watch, but yeah, we're sitting there watching. It's north of Milan now. It looks like right north of the hog plant coming right towards my house. We're sitting here at my house watching. Here goes this.
In a fucking highway, in a road.
Now it quit.
Yeah, but no, it has. I mean, it's...
Look at it.
I'm steady on it. Oh, now it's gone. First one I've ever seen.
Hey, I just telling you, there's a tornado just north of Milan. We're sitting there watching it. It's on the ground coming right towards us. Okay. I just gonna say, yeah, it's fucking.
We're moving. It's coming right at us.